You are sitting in a meeting where world leaders are discussing peace, war, human rights, climate crisis, refugee problems, or humanitarian emergencies. And you are part of that discussion. Sounds impossible? Not really. Many students think that working in the United Nations is only for toppers, foreign universities, or children of diplomats. But the truth is, Indian students from normal schools and colleges are also reaching the United Nations through smart planning, the right degree, internships, language skills, and global exposure. And today I am going to show you one of the most powerful but lesser-known career paths inside the UN POLNET.
When crises strike, advise leaders and protect human rights, supporting peace, relief, and hope worldwide. Not just a job. Class 10 or entering Class 11? This is your foundation stage. Build your strongest skill, English communication.
Discover the best courses for a global career. From international relations to public policy, prepare to lead on the world stage. Build the foundation for global. Marks alone are enough? The UN wants more than high scorers. They need skills like professional writing and communication. Become a skilled problem solver.
Welcome, everyone.
Let's be honest. This career is highly competitive, very competitive. But difficult doesn't mean impossible. Successful students start building these skills early, and your chances become Postgraduate pathways open doors, like MA Political Science and International Relations. This shapes future diplomats. Degrees opening global opportunities.
Transform your career.
Extra advantage skills open doors, writing and Excel research writing, policy analysis.
Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, then like the video, share it with students who dream big, subscribe for more global career guidance videos, and